Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
This guide shows 7 ways to open Command Prompt in Windows 11. Start with the Start menu by typing CMD and pressing Enter. You can use the search icon, type Command Prompt, and open it. Press the Windows key, then type CMD to find Command Prompt quickly. Use Run by pressing Windows plus R, typing CMD, and hitting Enter. I will demonstrate each method step by step for clarity and speed. Follow along and choose the method that fits your daily workflow. To open Elevated Command Prompt, use the Power User menu by pressing Windows plus X. Select Windows Terminal, Admin, and then choose Command Prompt from the drop-down. In File Explorer, click the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager and use File Run New Task. Check the Create this task with Administrative Privileges box for elevation. Each method lets you run commands with either standard or admin permissions. I explain when to use elevated prompts and when standard prompts are safer. Create a desktop shortcut by right-clicking, selecting New, and then Shortcut. Use shortcut target CMD. EXE, name it Command Prompt, and click Finish. Pin Command Prompt to the taskbar by right-clicking its icon and selecting Pin. For folder contexts, hold Shift and right-click to reveal Open Command window here. Use keyboard. Press Windows plus R, then type CMD, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter for admin. I show how to revert Windows Terminal to Open Command Prompt by default settings. Practice these steps to access Command Prompt within seconds on Windows 11.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.